Tennant Company, the leader in environmental cleaning solutions, introduces the S30, the quietest, most productive indoor-outdoor sweeper available. The S30's 3-stage Sweep Smart Dust Control System significantly improves air quality while delivering better sweeping results indoors and outdoors. This dependable sweeper easily picks up everything from fine grains of sand to light debris on almost any terrain or surface. Better operator sightlines, reduced noise levels, and easy operation make the S30 a safe choice for your operators and facility. Engineered for high performance, the Tennant S30 sweeper is the cleaner, safer solution to your indoor and outdoor sweeping needs. The S30's touch-and-go one-button control panel allows for easy operator training, while its cab-forward design and low noise level allow for comfortable and safe operation. Constructed of heavy-gauge steel, this industrial-strength sweeper is designed for long life durability. The S30's 2-speed sweep system increases the speed of the main brush, side brush, and vacuum to effectively pick up a wide variety of debris. Inside the S30's 3-stage Sweep Smart Dust Control System, bulky debris, moisture, and dirt are trapped within the permafilter. Next, fine dust and moisture are redirected by a cyclonic filter into the hopper. Finally, the nanofiber canister filters particulates and dust down to near HEPA levels. Quiet, productive, and safe. The S30 sweeps with unrivaled performance in any environment.